Behind President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s fifth State of the Nation address is a large-scale security operation now taking shape. Thousands of personnel are set to be mobilized for the event. Lade Cabagani is on the line to tell us more. Go ahead, Lade.
Yes, my security forces are finalizing their preparations to ensure the safe and orderly staging of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s fifth State of the Nation address. The Armed Forces of the Philippines said the Presidential Security Command will lead the security for the President, while troops from the AFP's National Capital Region Command will augment the Philippine National Police in maintaining peace and order around the Batasang Pambansa in Quezon City. The military did not disclose the number of troops to be deployed, citing operational security, but AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla confirmed that the military has raised its alert status to better mobilize personnel and assets for the event.
Every time naman na nagkakaroon tayo ng State of the Nation address, no, we are one of the frontliners din dito sa preparations for this. So una sa lahat, of course, this will be graced by none other by our Commander-in-Chief, no, our President. So our Presidential Security Command nandiyan dyan in full deployment for the security of the President, and of course yung areas that pupuntahan niya, no, sa HOR, and yun naman ating NCR Command will also be part of the augmentation troops for the Philippine National Police, who will be the frontliners for peace and order.
The AFP also stressed that while supporting SONA security operations, it will continue its regular missions, including maritime patrols in the West Philippine Sea, as well as humanitarian assistance and disaster response standby operations.
But ang purpose kasi nung pag-raise natin ng alert status is for us to be able to fuse our resources together. So nai-inventaryo natin, no, yung number of troops that are on standby, and of course kung anong assets ang nakaprepare natin.
Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police said its comprehensive security plan is already in place, with more than 20,000 personnel set to be deployed for the SONA. Aside from AFP, the PNP said the security forces will be reinforced by personnel from the Philippine Coast Guard to help ensure the safety of the President, government officials, and the public during the annual address. That's the latest security preparation for SONA. Back to you, Mai.
Late 3 days na lang before the SONA, and security preparations are in full swing. What measures has been put in place to make sure na walang gulo, that it's safe and orderly?
Yes, all concerned agencies have been directed to tighten security, traffic management, and crowd control while ensuring that the public's constitutional right to peaceful assembly is respected. Likewise, yung House of Representatives nag-implement din ng security lockout sa Batasang Pambansa with only authorized personnel allowed entry ahead of the Monday SONA.
Tuloy ba yung INC rally sa Commonwealth? Kasi from yesterday's announcement ng pulisya, ang pinayagan lang yata, or yung may mga permit ay mga militanteng grupo?
Yes, may tatlong multi-sectoral group sa bilang ang bagong alyansang Makabayan, Sanlakas at Better Brighter na papayagan o may permit na makapag-rally during SONA. Pero wala pang nababanggit yung PNP na kasama sa listahan ng nabigyan ng permit itong INC. Bagamat ongoing pa rin yung coordination nila regarding that matter, wala pa tayong natatanggap na info about permit nila or kung papayagan ba sila or bibigyan ba sila ng permit. Pero well-coordinated naman daw yan sa NCRPO. Dahil nga kasabay rin ito ng SONA yung INC anniversary, no? So inaasahan talaga yung pagkakaroon ng gatherings ng mga members ng INC, lalo pat matatagpuan din sa area along Commonwealth, yung largest place of worship nitong INC, itong Templo Central, which can accommodate around 7,000 people. Sa loob pa lang yan ng religious facility. Kaya inaasahan din ang dagsa ng madaming tao within that day, within that vicinity,
Maraming salamat, Lade Cabagani, nag-uulat.